Hey Foo Fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Lately, I've been wanting to create like a little slogan. Like different people on YouTube have different slogans, and I've been wanting to create my own slogan. However, it hasn't been working out for me. It went like this: Hey Foo Fam, I hope you chillin', I hope you smiling, hope you liking and subscribing. I don't know, but as you guys read by the title, today I'm showing you guys how you get these bomb box braids. My room is a mess. It's because I'm still decorating it. Keep an eye out for a redecorating my room video, guys. It's gonna be lit. My room is gonna be so cute. I'm currently waiting on a few items to come, and then I'll be able to, you know, show it to you guys and upload that video. So as you can see, I have only 4 braids left, and this is how I parted them. So it could be like a middle part. So this is gonna be 1 2 1 2. You get me? So I'm just gonna show you how I do it. Okay, so this is the hair that we're gonna be braiding, and I have some coconut oil, and I'm gonna put some coconut oil on the tip just so the hair stays moisturized, guys. When I'm done with that, I'm gonna put some moisturizer as well. Make sure you put moisturizer on the roots too, so you could really grab it when you're starting to braid. I'm gonna be using regular Kanekalon braiding hair. I'm just gonna stretch it out right now so I can have the ends not blunt, because we don't like a blunt end, honey. We do not. Okay, so you want the ends to look like this, or at least not blunt. You get it? So I'm just gonna be prepping the hair for braiding. If y'all know how to braid, then you know y'all could ask me to do a tutorial and I will do it. But for now, I'm just assuming you could braid, you know? See, I'm basically gonna grab the hair, right, with my fingers, and I'm just gonna start braiding. Like when you're braiding, you make sure you tighten it up, you know? So yeah, that's what I'm doing. As y'all can see, you got a good grip on it because it's like all the way at the root. So that's what we want to do. Alright guys, so I'm done braiding it, and this is just what the tips look like. So yeah, I'm done with that. I'm just gonna put it in the back so it could join its brothers and sisters. Meet your family, boo. Y'all gonna be hanging out for about a month, okay? And now I'm just gonna do the same thing with the rest of the braids. Alright guys, I'm back, and this is basically the hair without me like trimming the snips off or boiling it yet. So that's what it looks like. Pretty sensitive because obviously I just got done. But now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna snip off the little pieces of strands of hair that are like flyaways. Alright guys, so I just got done rinsing the hair. Not rinsing, I just got done like, yeah, rinsing it with hot water. By the way guys, if you want like a more in-depth video of how you braid your hair like this, let me know down in the comment box below. I will definitely upload a video that has more details for you guys. Because honestly, you don't have to go to the hair salon and pay $150 to get this done to your hair. Like, look at this. I bought this because I thought gold would look really good. So I bought this. I'm just gonna put it in the hair. Put it in the hair. And the tip, guys, you wanna put this stuff or like decorations for like, weave. You wanna put it on the braids that are like messed up, you know? Because the braids that look good, they already look good. You know what I'm saying? Alright, so guys, this is basically where I'm at right now. I put it on this braid, on this braid, on this braid as well. And my boyfriend is in the back. You can't really see him, but he's helping me put some more. Hit the camera. Wow. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you guys what he did in the back.
I think it looked the same as yours.
Okay, that's cool.
It need to be. Oh shoot! What we doing? What type of video we filming, man?
I'm done.